this going to be our life? We spent last night at a motel just to shower, rejuvenate, clean up, yeah, wash clothes, recharge everything. I had another video that I wanted to finish editing and upload. I couldn't kind of like finish it on time, you know, before the checkout, so we're sitting by this gazebo outside of the motel using their Wi-Fi. Last night was much needed. Hopefully will last a little longer before we have to check into another like Airbnb, motel, hotel or whatever.
Holiday Inn.
Hey mister, how'd you sleep?
The best.
He had the whole bed to himself. So I use this app called Hopper to find like last minute cheap motels and hotels, and I for sure check this filter option, pets allowed without additional fee. And this place La Quinta Inn, is it inn or motel, hotel, I don't know, and it said online that no, there's no extra charge. So I came here and checked in, and the lady was like, oh, I'm assuming no pet. I'm like, oh no, I have a pet. She's like, oh yeah, there's a $25 fee, which isn't bad compared to some hotels. That really adds up. So I have to do a better research next time. Maybe I'll call in before I check into any places. So if there are any tips, please let us know.
Coffee bear. Coffee bear. Oh, that looks so fun.
It looks so fun. Wow.
What's that golf?
How would you go? Ah, so refreshing.
Next time.
This is our home for today. Hey, it's actually kind of cute. So this tarp right here, you don't even want to know us pitching this crap. It was like not windy until we decided to set this up for Ame. I think he likes the shade. But my gosh, we do not know how to use that. This rope thing right here, oh my god, it took us. I mean, like, I know how to do it, but all of ours is kind of messed up right now. But the view though, there's some seagulls, one piggy and a doggy. Right now we're gonna try to clean inside of our tent because it's been disgusting. We haven't cleaned it ever since we bought it. And if you look at our like one corner of the tent, I think the pole is bent, so it looks really weird.
Yeah.
But it's still functional.
Definitely.
Almost seems useless without a brush.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, can't make it, because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing all this.
이 물소리 되게 민감하네, 아메.
오, 스트로베리도 좋아? I mean, like strawberries?
오늘 더울 때 아, 빨리 추워졌으면 좋겠다 하다가 추워지면
What the?
너무 추워. Dude, I think it's 82 degrees right now, but it's bearable because it's not humid. So
That's
I
so
think
true.
that also means that when at night it gets colder, feels colder. I don't know. 엄청 달다.
냠냠냠.
댕거 댕거. The view is nice.
응?
The view is nice.
응.
자기야.
응?
설마 이거 가지고 jet도리 잘 수 있을까?
No way.
Because you know how it reverses it sometimes?
이거 갖고 해.
됐습니다.
그렇.
That's good. Oh.
응?
먹어봐.
손 씻었니?
여기 다 다음에 똥꼬.
That's another thing Ahmed goes crazy after.
Basically, Ame goes crazy after everything.
Not everything. 너무 크다.
Everything that moves, maybe.
밤에 거둘까? So this is overlooking the campsite. Ours is right there. As far as I know, tomorrow most of the campsites are gonna be booked, or they are booked. I mean, it's pretty open, but they are, you know, they're apart. And then there's this cool path. I'm pretty sure you could take this to the other sites. Very open, very breezy. You do have to walk in to your site, but many parking spots available. I don't know if it's because it's weekday. I don't know how booked it's gonna be during weekend and during the peak. The facilities are good. Showers operating, bathroom operating, there's water. 와, 진짜 어떻게 바꿔놨니 진짜 대박이야. 그럴 것 같은데. morning, everyone. Hi. So this is one of the sites that I consider staying 2 nights. But yesterday, middle of the night, like I went to bed pretty early, and I woke up a few hours later because there were so many motorcycles, really loud vehicles, just like going in and out of the park. I don't mind people like gathering like somewhere there and just talking quietly. I don't mind that, but the motorcycles, oh my gosh, it was ridiculous. It was so loud, obnoxious. So we are leaving. As much as we love being here, just the lake and just very minimal bugs, there's water, but there's not enough like current for Amma to go like crazy over. So I really like this place until the motorcycles came in middle of the night. We decided not to stay another night, and we're gonna head to west, more west. You know, every time I like say that, like reminds me of this anime called Cheogi or Seiyuki. Basically, like those 4 guys are like destined to head to the west. They don't exactly know where. They're just going to west. Oh my god! I just saw a fish. That was so cool. Like a fish, like is it? I think it's a fish. I don't know. The sun, like I don't know what it was, but the sky and the lake was like pastel purple pink, like unicorn kind of. So it was really pretty. I'm really glad I caught that on camera. I'm not in a rush or anything, but I don't really need to like sit here and just relax. So I think I'm gonna drink some more coffee and then start packing, wake up Tong, pack up our tent, and maybe take a shower here. We don't know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. 바다 보는 것 같다. 여기서 회 먹으면 you're right.
싫어.
나 너무 배고파. 하루에 한 끼 먹으니까.
먹어 해.
회 어디서? 나 진짜 나 fish 봤어. 진짜 봤어. Something popped out.
Was it Neptune's?
I think it was a dolphin. Or maybe it's a mermaid. That makes sense.
You sure it's not a zebra?
Zebras don't swim, stupid. Can you even see the ocean?
Did you say ocean?
I said lake.
No. Who is?
I knew what I was